The Food Service Exchange presents
Crown Verity presents this week's Recipe on the Grill.
I'm Steve Adams from Crown Verity Barbecues. Today I'm cooking Panko walleye with lemon shiitake sauce. I developed this recipe for an Iron Chef throwdown. This is my all-time favorite fish recipe that I'd like to share with you. Walleye is also like snook if you're in southern Florida, or pickerel if you're up in Canada. This is a soft white fish. It's not going to take long to cook. It's only going to take a minute or two. Let's start it with fresh dill, and we're going to press it in to the fillet on both sides. It's a little secret if you get it underneath. The flour and the panko, I'm going to use it all. I want every little bit of that on there. It's kind of the secret to the dish to have that dill packed right in underneath the coating. I'm putting this into a rice flour, just like that, trying not to lose my dill, into an egg mixture, and right into the panko. Cover it up. Oh yeah, that looks good. And I'm just going to lay this in like this, very carefully. Oh yeah, the butter smells really good. Let's see if the walleye's ready to flip. Perfect, look at that. Nice and crispy, brown, I can smell the butter. I'm gonna let that go for a couple more minutes. I think the fish is finished. Let's rest it on an indirect rack right here like this. And we'll make the lemon shiitake sauce. That's basically, we're gonna deglaze the pan, all those little crumbly bits in the bottom. We're gonna throw some butter in. We're gonna throw some onion in. Nice, oh look at that. Shiitake mushrooms, what a great flavor on the mushrooms. They're diced. We're gonna reduce that down. A little bit of garlic off to the side. Reduce it down, and we're gonna make a nice cream sauce that's going to go with the fish. I'm going to cook this for a minute, over direct heat but low. I don't want it to burn. I've got my fish resting off to the side, just settling down. Don't want to overcook that. I want to make sure that it's cooked, sauteed to perfection, just like this. Now I'm gonna add some cream. I know, but this is the secret of this dish. I'm going to move that around. Just going to reduce it down a little bit. You can see how that's starting to bubble. It's just about there. This is reduced down just perfectly. We're going to add just a little bit of salt on top. Mix that in. Look at that. Now we're ready for plating. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of a puddle right in the center, because as you go through the fish, let me take the fish off, set it on top, that, sauce underneath, and we're going to throw a little bit more on the top. This is my favorite dish, Panko walleye with grilled leeks with bacon in the center for fishing the flats.